This is my new desk, and I didn't know how much a desk can affect my workflow until I got this. As you know, I do a lot of unboxings and I spend hours editing them and putting them together. So I needed the desk, and I reached out to my friends at Desky, and they were kind enough to send me a few products that I'm gonna go through this review for you. First up, let's start with the desk itself.
Starting with the installation, putting everything took me around 30 minutes. It comes with all the parts you need, and they also include a full manual and paperwork in the box. But instead of using that, I actually followed their step-by-step videos on YouTube. And honestly, it made the whole process super easy. Once it was put all together, it felt solid straight away. No issues, no confusion, just a smooth setup process overall. The desk size that I went for is 1500 by 750 millimeters. And for my space, it fits really well. It gives me enough room to work comfortably without taking over the whole room. Straight away, the biggest upgrade is the height adjustment. I can switch between sitting and standing instantly without changing anything in my setup. You can actually save up to 6 different presets of heights. Right now, I've set up 2, one for sitting and one for standing. So instead of adjusting it every time, I just press a button and it goes exactly where I set it to be. You can also control everything through the Desky app. Inside the app, you can set up voice commands so you don't need to touch anything at all. And if you have children, there's also a child lock feature so no one can move the desk by accident. The motors are really smooth. There's no jerking or sudden stops. It just goes up and down cleanly. They're also really quiet, so even at night I can adjust it without waking anyone up. And they're really strong as well. This setup can handle up to 140 kilos, but the real question is, can it lift me up while I'm sitting on it?
I'm scared of heights. I'm scared of heights.
I'm not gonna tell you my weight, but I do weigh it a lot and I was not expecting that. So yeah, the motors are pretty strong. In terms of height range, it goes from around 60 centimeters all the way to 125 centimeters. There's also an anti-collision detection built in, so if something gets in the way it's moving, it automatically stops. So overall, it's just solid the whole time you're using it. And one of the biggest issues with my previous desk was the cable management. It didn't have a dedicated cable management system, so everything just ended up being a mess. Cables were everywhere and power boards were showing, and it didn't look good, especially on camera. With the Desky cable and power channel though, everything is just tidied up underneath the desk, and it all sits inside of the tray cleanly. Now I literally have just one cable coming out of the desk, which means I can finally show the bottom half of my setup without feeling embarrassed. And honestly, this alone made a huge difference for me. Next up, we got the under desk drawer. Before this, I had small accessories all over my desk. Things like hard drives, SD cards, and a bunch of random accessories just sitting there. But now everything is stored underneath, so the desk stays clean. And it's a pretty good size. It can fit quite a bit in there without it getting cluttered. So it keeps everything organized without taking up space on the desk. Next up, we got the casters. I usually move around my desk a lot, so having wheels on it just makes things easier, whether it's for filming, cleaning, or just changing things up. And surprisingly, with everything on it, it still moves smoothly. And once it's locked in place, it stays completely stable. Lighting was actually something I didn't think about it much before. I was mainly relying on ambient lighting in the room, and after a while it just wasn't enough. Especially when editing at night, my eyes would get tired pretty quickly. Now with the Desky light bar, it lights up the desk properly without reflecting on the screen. You can adjust the brightness and the color temperature. It also creates ambient lighting behind the screen, so instead of your room feeling dark, you get a softer light around your setup, which just makes it easier on your eyes, especially during those long sessions. So overall, it's just not about lighting the desk, it actually improves the whole setup visually and functionally. I also added the minimal monitor stand. My monitor isn't actually sitting on it, but because of how my setup is, it creates this floating look which looks really clean. It also helps me to fill out the desk so it doesn't feel empty, and it gives the setup a bit more structure instead of everything just sitting flat on the desk. So even though it's a small addition, it actually makes the whole setup feel more complete. And an honorable mention, I have to talk about the Desky chair as well. This is easily one of the most comfortable chairs I have ever used. It has a proper lower back support, a headrest for your neck, and the armrests are fully adjustable.
The foam inside is high density with a wave spring design, so it shapes to you and keeps the weight evenly spread. You can sit in this thing all day and it still feels good. The headrest is extended too, supporting users up to 200 centimeters tall, so taller people are fully covered. And the back is a breathable 3D mesh, so you're not getting hot and sweaty after a few hours of sitting.
And genuinely, I actually enjoy sitting down and editing now thanks to this setup.
Overall, this setup just makes everything easier. Everything is placed in its place, and it actually works the way I want it to work. Also, if you wanted to grab any of the stuff that I showcased in the video, I have left them in the description. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comment sections. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and until the next video, ciao.